Hey guys, today I would like to introduce a new feature that I have just added to SaaSykit, and it is the offline payments. A lot of users asked me about this over the previous weeks and months. They wanted to add a way or to have a way to be able to offer their services to their customers, and then the customers could pay them like whether in cash or in bank transfer or whatever, like not through any like of the typical payment providers that SaaSykit offers, like Stripe, Paddle, or Lemon Squeezy. They wanted to manage that themselves, basically. So I have added this feature in SaaSykit. So it's a new payment method that you can easily enable if you would like. So let's have a look at that together. So now we are on a SaaSykit website. We have plans. And we have also some products here. This should work for plans and for products. So once we go to the checkout, this is the new payment method. It's called offline, but you can change its name from the admin panel. So whether like if you would like it to be called like cash or bank transfer, for example, whatever, like manual, anything that you would like to have, you can just change it from the admin panel. And once you confirm and pay for the subscription, you just land on the success page. And what happens behind the scenes is a new subscription is, so let's start the journey. We go to the dashboard. If we go to the subscriptions page, a new subscription has been added. Like this is the latest subscription and it's still pending. So this means that you as an admin of the website you have to look into this subscription and activate it if you see that this is the right action to do. So if the customer pays you whatever like way they pay, you can just do that. And to do that, we just go to the admin panel as usual, go to subscriptions, and you will find like a new subscription has landed with the payment provider offline and it's still pending. You can just click on the subscription. And if you are familiar with the subscription types, this subscription will be a locally managed subscription, which means that the subscription is created and is living on your website. It doesn't have anything to do with any external payment providers. So if the customer uses the normal payment provider like Stripe, for example, to buy the subscription, this subscription would be a payment provider managed subscription, because in this case, the payment provider can decide based on like charging the customer that this subscription has to stop or has to be continued and so on. But in our case here, we have a locally managed subscription and the status is pending. So all you can do here, or what you can do here, is like just click on this update subscription button, and you can manually set the subscription end date, let something in the future, and then you can set the subscription status as you wish to active, and you can also add some comments, whatever, and submit. And once this is done, the subscription will be activated, and yeah, the user will get the service that you are offering. So behind the scenes, also all the events that should be triggered once a subscription is created will also be triggered. So the service will be activated to your customer. And this is not only available for subscriptions, but is also available for orders. So the same, you can go, let's say you want to buy this product as a customer, you will find the offline payment method here, you confirm and pay, you land on the success page. And if you go to the admin panel and orders, you will find the order that the customer just did here, and you can also click on the order. You can see also that this is like a local order. It's a manual order or a local order, basically the same like the subscription. You can update the order and set it to success or failure whenever, however you like. And also you can add some comment, whatever, submit, and that's it. So once that's submitted, also the order will be successful, and all the events that should be triggered will be triggered also in the background. You can easily enable or disable this payment method here under under settings and then payment providers. You will find it here. You can just activate it or deactivate it as usual in SaaSykit. And one other important thing to note is like SaaSykit also offers two new events specifically for these kind of offline orders. So what would usually happen is, depending on your application, for example, you would like to send an email to the customer to let them know how to pay you. And how would you do that? You would subscribe to an event that is being triggered once an order or a subscription is being bought via this offline payment method. So there is like this ordered offline or subscribed offline. Both are two events that you can subscribe to. And then based on that, you can send an email to the customer or notify them somehow. You can also subscribe to them, to these events, so that you can notify yourself as an admin, because when a customer comes in and buys an order or a subscription, you would also like to know so that you can basically see like how can you get the money from them and how can you activate their services. So this is like is there for just for your convenience to use them as you wish, according to your application and the use case of this application. So that's it basically. I hope that you like this feature, and I hope that you use it in your application and it will be useful to you. See you in another video in the future with another feature. Happy building.